Wow, it is really not nice out here right now. The rain is going sideways. In clouds. I hope this stops in the next 15 minutes because I gotta leave to go to a meeting and it's gonna suck to walk in this. Still gray and dark. It's pretty much stopped raining. But everything is soggy now, huge puddles everywhere. I had to go and see the lawyer today, so I had to come out in this. If I wouldn't have had a meeting with him, I'd have stayed home, made a pot of chicken soup, laid on the couch and watched movies all day. Well, before this camera fogs up, I'm going to shut it off. Oh, they got bicycle rentals. Maybe I could sell them a couple of bikes. Now I'm thinking.